Hello, and welcome to the PREP's 2020-2021 Open House. Formally speaking, of course, we are the Riviera Beach Preparatory and Achievement Academy, and this is an avid reading class. Our principal is Mr. Mark Simmons, and our assistant principals are Dr. Venice Harrell and Ms. Latrice Boykins. I have personally seen how our school leaders all work together to create an environment in which our students are welcomed, nurtured, and protected. They lead the way for our students to successfully navigate their world by recognizing and even creating opportunities to achieve the goals they have set in life. The school's office number is 561-881-4740. Please contact the school's office for information regarding the many services our school maintains close connections with to help our students and our community. I am Mrs. E. Thomas. I grew up in Oakland, California. I attended Florida A&M University and Nova Southeastern University. I have been married for 40 years and have been teaching for 30 plus years. I was raised in a family of educators. This includes my mother, father, aunts, uncles, my grandmother, my grandfather. I then married into another family of educators right here in Palm Beach County and other Florida school districts. I retired a couple of years ago and came back to education. My RB prep family is the best. And now all of you are part of my class family this year. Oh yeah, my son is a teacher too. We use key strategies in AVID to help students reach their goals in life. AVID stands for Advancement via Individual Determination. This includes any goals important to each student as they transition from being a high school student to the next part of their life. We will try to tap into aspirations regarding career, school, college, university, immediate employment. Each student's 1-year plan, 5-year plan, 10-year plan. Also, levels of professionalism. For example, would you like to be a lawyer, a judge, or a Supreme Court justice? Or a teacher, a principal, or a school district superintendent? What level of professionalism appeals to you? The W in Wicker stands for writing. Students will learn how to answer written questions on a standardized test and the importance of formal language versus informal language, especially in regards to communicating with teachers or a boss. Prospective employment opportunities are enhanced with formal language. The I in Wicker stands for inquiry. Students will learn to think on higher levels. Prospective employers love this. The C in Wicker stands for collaboration. Students will learn to work effectively and efficiently together for specific outcomes. Not as easy as it sounds. They will also learn to communicate with formal language in different situations. The O in Wicker stands for organization. Students will learn to create focus notes, to maintain an AVID binder, both of which require high degrees of organization. There are awards for students who have best notes and binders. The R in Wicker stands for reading. Students will learn to specialize in reading strategies. Some strategies are RACE, which is for citing evidence in text, marking the text for understanding the author's purpose, vocabulary study to understand what is being read, and high-level compound complex sentences to take thinking to higher levels. My wish for this school year is that each student in this class will recognize and use any of our many resources to better his or her future. Do you understand what steps are needed to attain your goals in life? The class syllabus is posted in each Google Classroom. Now it's your turn to inquire. What questions would you like to ask me? Send them through email. I will be sure to answer. I know we are going to have a great year learning together. Bye-bye.